For those of you who are coffee lovers, umiinom ka na ng kape, pumapayat ka pa. Nan, babaw kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Perfect Skin Aura for sending us some of their skincares. At the same time, meron tayong mga slimming drinks dito. So the first one is Glow and Fit Coffee, and then the other one naman is Glow and Fit Juice Mixed Drink. Now in the middle, meron tayo ditong rejuvenating set. Ayan. So yung rejuvenating set natin, it's only 180 pesos. Napakamura. However, pangmamahalin ang kanyang effect. Ayan. So meron tayo ditong kojic soap. Meron din tayong toner at meron din tayong mga rejuvenating cream. Those of you who are into, taking care of themselves, familiar na kayo dito. You have your daytime and then you have your nighttime care. But then again, napakamura po niya guys. 180 pesos only. Pangmamahalin ang kanyang effect. Sa mga product po niyang ito, dito ako nagkaroon ng sobrang interest kasi nga alam nyo naman guys, dahil sa trabaho natin sa Wear in Pampanga, nagkaka-weight tayo dyan. Now, ito ang pinakakailangan ko guys, Glow and Fit. This one is a juice mixed drink. So it has glutathione, L-carnitine, and collagen. So, according to their claim, ito ay nakakaliit ng tiyan, ng ating braso, nakakapayat po siya. At the same time, nagkakaroon ng regular ang ating pagdumi. Perfect na perfect siya sa mga stress at nahihirapang matulog. And again guys, claim nila, pumapayat ka kahit walang workout. Wow! I think I need that one. So, this is our juice. Okay, so let's taste it. Wow! Wow! It's not too sour guys. Hindi to yung parang feeling na umiinom ka ng gamot. It doesn't taste like that. So very refreshing. Parang regular juice lang for a price of 250 pesos. Ayan, 10 sachets po na yung nandito. Wow, so refreshing. So once again guys, that is Perfect Skin Aura by Princess. Ayan guys, Perfect Skin Aura by Princess. And then the next drink we have is yung kanilang Glow and Fit Coffee. So this is 15-in-1 dietary supplement. So it has glutathione, L-carnitine, and collagen. For those of you who are coffee lovers, umiinom ka na ng kape, pumapayat ka pa. Some claims from the Perfect Skin Aura: it burns fat and at the same time, it whitens your skin. It also maintains your skin glow. It boosts energy and metabolism. It helps control blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure. It speeds up weight loss. I think I need that one again. Helps in regulating bowel movement, nourishes your body with antioxidants, suppresses appetite and controls craving. It enhances the skin elasticity and slows down the skin aging. Oh, wow! So napansin ko dun sa coffee natin guys, it has some fine grated parang organic leaves, no? So let me read the ingredients here. So it has ganoderma, non-dairy creamer, stevia, glutathione, L-carnitine, grapeseed extract, collagen, green tea, moringa, barley grass, garcinia, cambogia, tongkat ali, buamara, goji berry, and mangosteen. So no wonder it has some, some fine grated parang mga organic leaves in coffee natin. So I think that's the origin of its weight loss properties. So more coffee guys. So again guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is really helpful para sa akin guys, and hopefully if you're looking for this kind of products and you have looking for another option, these are the products that you can try. And for those of you naman na who are wanting to be a distributor, some side hustle, or even a main business, who knows, diba? So they are looking for distributors nationwide. Sa buong Pilipinas po yung kanilang coverage. So make sure to call or message yung fan page that we're gonna be tagging in the description below. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Wear in Pampanga. Until our next video. Peace out. Bye!